Hey people. Hey.
Yo yo.
Lele here.
Herb here.
And Case.
And it's the Late Caitlin Herb Show.
Hey. So today we're gonna put we're gonna do our hair. We're gonna take all of this out, this color here. We wanted it didn't go the way we planned, so we just gonna take all of it out. Okay, so we using this color remover here. Can you see it? Is it? So you take that out. This is a color remover, and I used about 2 ounces of developer, a 20, not 2, but 20. Okay. So I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna mix that up, and I'm just gonna apply it to his hair, and it's gonna turn his hair blonde. It's just gonna be blonde. It's gonna take all the color out.
I'll go back to blonde.
And you say you gotta stir this up to it's a paste form. Now that it's in a paste, you see it's kind of pasty. Paste. You're gonna apply it.
So, y'all can see the colors breaking down. The red is always kind of heavy color, strong color, so the red you kind of staying in. It might still be a little left, but if you can see the colors, they're breaking on down. I'm going to be blonde again. We're back. It's been over an hour now, but as you can see, all the colors. Is there some color in the back, baby? So all of the color is out. So we're gonna rinse this out, and we probably put the color in the morning tomorrow. Okay, so I'm back. I just now rinsed it. Very good. Rinsed out. It's the next day, and you can see I've washed out the conditioner. Now we let the conditioner stay in overnight. We've washed it out now, and we are about to get going. All this stuff, different dyes.
Sweet.
What?
If I could do like a swirl of colors, like in my head, I was thinking like a coliseum. You know, a coliseum. So while I was doing that, I was saying
Like a cyclone. So, and would you use the same colors more than once?
No, because I'm starting pink right here. Then start to green. Then put a blonde. Sweet. Can I do it? I want to try.
You can do it.
But I don't want to mess it up.
Don't be, second guessing yourself. You know your abilities. You know what you can do. And push it. Push it to the limit.
You do? Let me see. Okay, let me just practice right here. I'm going to put it on. I'm going to brush.
What you think?
I think I can do it. I think we can do it. So you guys, we are now finished with our swirl. It looks like a kind of achieved what I was going for. So I'm excited to see.
And I always got faith in my baby. Because the thing about it is this. She gotta be seen with me in public. So I know she ain't gonna see me out looking too crazy. And when you didn't plan this, it was just on the cuff. Be creative. It looks sweet though, babe. So check it out. And this guy. If you're sleepy, why won't you just go to sleep?
Okay, you guys, so we'll be back with the finished product.
If you're sleepy,
Like and subscribe. Tell me what you think about the color. Tell me what you don't like about the color. Just let me know.
and suggest if y'all got some suggestions of some colors y'all would like to see us do, or some styles, some designs that y'all think. This guy here, say hi to Case, because clearly he's wants to take all the attention. What is his face? So yeah, like, subscribe. We're gonna drop some probably right here, right there, right somewhere. But check it out. Let us know what you think.
Check it out. Right. So y'all, we finished. This is a finished product.
And you see how it look. Drip, drip. Drip, drip.
Tip.
Thumbs on my wrist, stay dripping. Ice. Tank through drip, drip, drip. Tank through drip. Thumbs on my wrist, stay dripping. Ice. But as you can see in a few areas, I'm not sure if y'all can see it, it's kind of light. Like, you can maybe see the blonde maybe through it. I'm not sure exactly why that happened. Would you say happened, babe? That's the roots?
Yeah, it just didn't take all the way.
Yeah, so we're going to go through and maybe touch it up.